Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back here. Today I got the new sneakers here. As you know, this is for Nike SB Dunk sneakers, and this is the new style of this style. Okay, and about this pair, have one point very special. For on the upper mid hit, can get another look. So from first side, this one just the normal black one, but this pair have another look when it mid hit. Now let me show you how look after this one mid hit, or because now I have nothing to show you, and then let me show make with my hand, so you can look my fingers here. So when you touch upper with the heavily press, you can have a special look on the shoes. So you can check the turbos here. Got another look when I touch it with heavily press, because my fingers with the head touch it heavily. So make the upper with another look, including all pair like this, like that. So you can look when you get the sneakers, you can let the shoes with the height will get another look. So this is the special point of this pair. Let me show you again, so you can look how special of this pair. And this one, including the shoe base, also is the same. So maybe you can look at this is like the normal black one, but not also special as the shoes hit mid the head can get another look. So this is the shoe base, the size level. And the inside, you can look how special, also very colorful. After the sneakers meet the head, can get look like this, very colorful. And this is the tissue paper. And for the shoes with the normal, so normal look is very simple. It's the all black color on the upper with the temple leather and the white midsole, and here print embroider its name, Civilist. This is the name of this pair. And about the front, got the same, the black one, and the black shoelace got the yellow lace tape around the shoe tom. This is the classical shape of Nike SB. On the top, got the Nike SB and the Nike shoes. And check out the inner side, so got the same, the plain black color. And the bottom is all black color as well. And this is the back side. On the top, got the Nike embroidered there. And let me show the inside. You can look at the shoe part is also so colorful. Got the face, smile, and the Nike SB, also its name, the back side of the shoe tom. Every detail is very good. And this one ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please don't forget to check out on my web link, beyondshop.ru. And this pair got another extra 3 shoelace here, yellow, red, and blue. So how good with this one? For myself, I like this style very much. I will get this pair for myself as well. Okay, so for more details, you also can check on my web link. Please don't forget to check out on my web link. Thanks for watching. See you next time.